Bro. Like, how does he not die, bro? Like, oh my god. Like,
Enemy UAV
and why did it take a whole minute for me to respawn, bro? Like, Jesus.
redeployed. Well done.
Yo, can you not chew in the mic, bro?
No nigga gonna say stop chewing like that was the reason he died or something. Fuck out here.
Cam, shut up. Alright, you've been talking the whole game. Shut up. And you worry about chewing? Shut up. I'm over here dogging.
Yo, can you... Alright, stop.